Innovation Days has been a fantastic opportunity for our clients to witness how the powder is actually made, where it's made, and the state-of-the-art facility that we've got here in St. Charles, Illinois.
Concept of using color to be a main part of the design process, and it helped me understand like this could be a source of like inspiration as well when you're doing design, because a lot of the design process is still connected to you make the design and then add color to it, but powder coating and Tiger generally like promotes the aspect of integrating them both together.
So I personally found interesting like all the testing and all the science behind it, like the mixing, but the way that they put sample panels inside their test machines and had water dripping on them, and the longevity of it. Like, I've never got to experience that before, so it's neat.
Hi everyone, I'm Alex.
I'm Will.
From Team Hypershock. We're here at Tiger Innovation Days and we're super excited to learn all about what Tiger has to offer and show off our toy.
We're excited to be here at Tiger Innovation Days. It's an opportunity to see the things that we don't already know.
It's been great learning all about the new things Tiger is working on.
My team and I had a great experience today. It was an exceptionally well-organized event. The people were great, very knowledgeable, and we would love to have an opportunity to come back again.